What is web hosting? Question mark. Web hosting is a service that allows organizations and individuals to post a website or web page into the internet. A web host or web hosting service provider is a business that provides the technologies and services needed for the website or web page to be viewed in the internet. Websites are hosted or stored on special computers called servers. When internet users wants to view your website, all they need to do is type your website address or domain into their browser. Their computer will then connect to your server and your website will be delivered to them through the browser. Most hosting companies require that you own your domain in order to host with them. If you do not have a domain, the hosting companies will help you to purchase one. Here are some features you should be expecting from your hosting provider. Email accounts. As mentioned earlier, most hosting providers require users to have their own domain name. With a domain name, for example, www.yourwebsite.com. An email account features provided by your hosting companies. You can create domain email accounts, for example, your name @yourwebsite.com. Second one is FTP access. The use of FTP lets you upload files from your local computer to your web server. If you build your website using your own HTML files, you can transfer the files from your computer to the web server through FTP, allowing your website to be accessed through the internet. The third one is WordPress support. WordPress is an online website creating tool. It is a powerful blogging and website content management system, which is a convenient way to create and manage websites. WordPress powers over 25% of websites on internet. Most hosting providers will tell you right away if their plans are WordPress compatible or not. The simple requirement for hosting your WordPress websites including PHP version 7 or greater, MySQL version 5.6 or greater. If you decide to create and host your website with website.com, in addition to access the drag and drop site builder, you can get a custom domain, email addresses and web hosting all bundled into one subscription. An advantage of using a website builder is that it allows you to simply drag and drop content to create your site and publish your site to live with few clicks. No technical experience is required with the website.com site builder. You will not need to build your website with coding, and you will not need to transfer files from your desktop computer to the servers through FTP. If you would rather build your website through coding or a CMS tools like WordPress, you have handpicked a few hosting providers based on their features and price. Easy Web Hosting. It's highly recommended. Liquid Web and Rackspace. How can my online business benefit from a web hosting service? Question mark. In order to publish your website online, your business website requires a web hosting service. However, a web host gives business owners more than just web hosting services. For example, web hosting firms typically employ in-house technicians to make sure their clients' websites are up and running 24/7. Plus, when website owners are in need of help or troubleshooting, etc., for example, script debugging, email not able to send receive domain name renewal and more, the web host's in-house support are to go to people. Domain. A professional web hosting service ensures that a hassle-free experience for business owners so they can